Hi guys, welcome back to my mess. We are doing another 8x10. Haven't quite decided what we're doing. We're still using up colors. We still have that, just a little bit of the cobalt blue from Apple Barrel. We have taken our primary yellow and added the rest of the apricot, so we kind of have this golden yellow color. We have some ice metallic blue, a little bit of the leaf green metallic from Artist Loft, and we have taken some pure gold from Folk Art, some pure gold metallic, and we've added a hint of metallic red, or maybe 2 hints of metallic red, and we kind of have this rose gold metallic color going on here. I don't know what you would call it, but it's pretty. So, and just a teeny bit of the aquamarine left, and we even have a teeny bit of the bright aqua green from Liquitex. And we use this cup. We have no whites this time, so I'm going to start off with some ice blue. Just a hint of the cobalt. Some of that gold in there. Get that up with some of the golden yellow. Metallic green. Oh, what else? Nice blue again. Probably way too much gold. It's okay. You only live once, right? All right. Here goes nothing. Hands are filthy. It's okay. Let that sit for a moment and let the paint run down. I'll clean off some sticks here. Oh, Mr. Yoshi Monster, what are you doing down there? My cat Monster. His name is Yoshi. His nickname is Monster. He's up on my feet. Came to say hi. I think he's mad because I took the ironing board from behind my table. He used to sit up there and watch. Right. Okay. Forgot to put my microphone back on. This corded microphone gives me fits. It's always in my way when I have my camera horizontal like this. It's in my way. I have a cordless lavalier, but I can't figure out the volume. It never, ever increases in volume. No matter how many times you hit the up volume button, it just doesn't seem to do anything. Obviously, it's operator error, but I don't know how to I don't know how to make it work. And I'm tired of ruining videos by not having proper sound. So we've given up on it, and we just deal with the fact that we have this stupid cord in our way. So we had a company come out on Thursday to get a bid for a new driveway. Came out in the pouring rain, measured everything, listened to my concerns and what we needed done. And now I am patiently, or not so patiently, waiting for his bid. My son has a very heavy wheelchair, and even though it's electric, he cannot get up the driveway because the asphalt is almost completely gone and he's getting stuck. So we have to do something. Here we go. Touch up my sides. Seem to have a couple bald spots over here. Just pull that down a little bit. Okay. I'll wash up just a bit and bring you down for a close-up. Okay. Here we are with our close-up. Got some lacing going on, the rivers of gold there. I think I'm happy with that. What do you guys think? Me too. Have a great weekend.